Today is day 4 of your 30-day momentum blueprint, and this is where your visibility really begins because today you're creating your very first short video. Over the next 30 days, your goal is simple. Grow your audience, grow your email list, grow your confidence, and grow your customer base by showing up consistently with clear, honest value. Short videos are one of the fastest ways to get attention online because people connect with real humans, real stories, and real insights. Think of every reel, TikTok, or short as a tiny doorway into your world. One small chance for someone to hear your perspective and think, I like this person. Your videos don't need to be fancy, they just need to feel true. Keep them short, teach one idea, share one belief, or show something that genuinely helps somebody. Talk like you're speaking to your best friend. People don't remember polished, they remember personal, useful, and real. Today, your goal is simple. Hit record, share one piece of value about your product, opportunity, business, or service, and start building trust one video at a time.